Welcome back, everyone. If you're looking to master your Wix website and make your menu truly mobile-friendly, you're absolutely in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can hide or show specific menu items in the new Wix menu, all from your mobile site view. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have complete control over how your menu appears to visitors on phones or tablets, with just a few quick steps. So let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open your Wix web design dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and it's your command center for customizing your site. You'll see your website preview, and at the top left corner, there's an option labeled Switch to Mobile. Give that a click. What this does is it lets you see exactly how your site will look and feel on a mobile device, which is honestly essential since so many visitors today will view your page from their phones. It's almost like holding up your site to a smartphone screen and asking, how does this look to my users on the go? Now let's get hands-on. To work with your menu, you'll need to select the menu icon. This is typically represented by a horizontal stack, sometimes called a hamburger icon. Once you find it, give it a tap right there in the mobile view. If you're not sure where it is, just look for the section that displays your navigation links when you're using your site as a visitor would. Next, you'll see the option to edit your menu. Go ahead and click Edit Menu. This opens up the area where you can play around and organize all the menu items, so you can decide exactly what visitors see. From here, choose Manage Menu. This is where you can really take control, rearrange items, add new ones, or, as we'll do now, hide specific menu links for mobile users. Inside the site menu, you'll see a list of all the menu items that show up in your navigation. Every item has a little three-dot icon beside it. These dots are a shortcut for extra settings. Click on those dots next to the menu item you want to hide. A small menu will appear and you'll see the option Hide on Mobile. Select that. Don't worry if it doesn't disappear right away. Sometimes it takes a couple of moments to update on the preview. You're simply telling Wix, hey, for mobile visitors, don't show this particular menu item. This can be super helpful if, for example, you have sections of your website that just aren't necessary or might confuse users on smaller screens. Now let's say you want to switch things back. Maybe you hid something and realize you want it to appear for mobile users after all. No stress, just repeat the same process. Head to your Wix site menu in mobile view, find the menu item, it'll be marked as hidden. Click those three dots again, and now you'll see the option to show on mobile. Click that and your menu item will pop right back up in your mobile navigation. It's as simple as flipping a light switch, on when you need it, off when you don't. And there you have it. You've just unlocked a powerful way to tailor your website's navigation for mobile visitors, all in less than 5 minutes. This little customization trick can make browsing your site much smoother for users and can help you focus attention exactly where you want it. If this tutorial helped, be sure to give it a like, and if you run into any questions while updating your Wix menu, drop a comment below. I always check them and love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step web design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy editing.